Welcome to Calibration Module. QIA, Quality Institute of America, QIA, helps to improve your profitability through effective management systems. QISS powered by QIA. QISS, your quality manager. A comprehensive workflow based out of the box QHSE software solution. QISS helps you ensure compliance with QHSE standards, requiring that measuring equipment is calibrated at specified intervals by giving you the following capabilities. Import equipment records from external Excel source. Inventory of measurement equipment. Set up advanced tolerance feature, so that deviations from acceptable tolerance limits can be automatically flagged on. Add custom fields. Filter out calibration records, according to specified search criteria. Calibration schedules, with auto reminders, based on equipment frequencies. Record results of calibrated equipment. Track and access all calibration activity through the centralized web-based database, so you can trend information and identify areas of increased risk. This software prevents the recurrence or occurrence of discrepancies, failures, and deviations through dashboards that provide a real-time, at-a-glance assessment of the status of calibrations within the system. QISS Calibration Module helps to cultivate a company-wide culture of continuous improvement. Thanks for watching, and for more information please visit our website.